In this video, I'm going to show how to fix the Steam non-detecting controller. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to check if your computer is detecting your controller. What you need to do is click on your Windows search bar and search for a device. Okay, you will see device right here. In my case, it is in Portuguese, but it's the same process. Then you need to find your controller right here. Click with the right button and properties. Then you need to check if your computer is detecting your controller. After doing that, if your computer is detecting your controller, the problem is on Steam. So what you need to do is close your Steam, click at the top left corner, click exit, and run Steam as administrator. So click right here on your Windows search bar. Search for Steam, click with the right button and run as administrator. After doing that, you click the top left corner again on Steam, come to settings, and here you need to find controller below web browser. So click controller, and here general controller settings. Click on top, you will open this page right here. You need to click on the last option, recover Steam controller from where. Then you need to wait and try again to use a controller on your game. If this doesn't work, you need to check the controller drive on your computer. I hope I help you how to fix the Steam not detecting controller. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive our footsteps.